We're on location today, and we're out in the sunshine with Rachel and Homer Tire. These are the folks you hear about all the time, the famous Homer Tire of the Homer Tire Real Estate team, and, of course, Tire Real Estate Group. Rachel and Homer, you guys are a team, and we heard so much about all the work that you've done. Nobody sold more homes in Pitt County and Greenville the last few years than you guys have.
Yeah, we've definitely tried to bring a very aggressive marketing plan to Pitt County in regards to real estate. And, you know, the results speak for themselves, just like that contract pending sign you see right there, Henry.
Yeah, we're actually in front of a home you've just sold. And how many homes over the last couple of years have you sold? I know last year was a great year, 2013, but 2014 starting off great also, Rachel.
It is. We've hit the ground running this year. I would say, I guess, 200 last year. 150 the year before, and then
yeah, so probably 500 in just the last 3 years. So
amazing. Now, you know, and I talk about you guys on the radio all the time, but I've never seen a real estate company as aggressive as you guys are. Tell people when they sign with you, list their home with you, the things that you do that no one else will do.
Well, the first thing's a four-letter dirty word most realtors don't like called work. You know, that can ruffle some feathers from time to time, but we take a very aggressive approach in our marketing, our follow-up time, and we are constantly pursuing the buyer instead of the buyer having to pursue us. And that helps bring more sales to the seller.
You know, I've actually sat in the conference room with you guys and gone through your system, so I'll understand it more. Rachel, you guys do more in terms of tracking prospects with the internet and all the technologies out there than anybody I've ever seen.
we do. We've had an extensive tracking program in place for several years now. It gives us an idea of what our cost per lead is, gives us an idea of where the leads are coming from, what works, what doesn't work, where to spend our marketing budget.
And, you know, that's a 6-month contract that, you know, if you're hung into it, you don't feel like your real estate agent is doing what you need them to do. You've eliminated that. That's not going to happen with your folks anyway, but you've eliminated that, right? That's been one of the pet peeves of folks that have dealt with real estate agents forever, because you say what?
Well, that just goes back to, Henry, changing how real estate is done. We don't believe in a 6-month contract. If you're not happy with our services, you can fire us at any time. It's that easy. It's a one-day agreement that renews daily, and if you don't like us, if you don't think we're doing a good job, you can tell us to pick our sign up, hit the road jack, and find somebody else. We're that committed, and we believe that much in our program and how it works.
And, of course, Homer, the big one that I talk about on the radio all the time is what I call the Homer Tire Guarantee, because I've never heard of anybody in the real estate business that will do this. When you first told me you were doing this, I thought you were crazy. But you say that if someone lists the home with you, you don't sell it by the deadline and the date they need it sold, that you will buy it from them?
That's exactly right. And if I could have changed one thing about this shoot today, Henry, we would have taken you across town in front of a house we just purchased. We had a doctor in town who needed to move, and they called us and said, yeah, I got to see if this is what it's all cracked up to be. We weren't able to sell the home in 120 days, and so we stepped in, Rachel and I, and we purchased the home from them.
That is unbelievable. Every reason in the world to list your home with the Homer Tire Real Estate team, Tire Realty Group. And, of course, how do we contact you, Rachel? People need to know how to get up with you.
Well, we're located at 308A Southeast Greenville Boulevard. It's right in between Waffle House and BB&T. Or you can call us at 758-4663. That's 758-HOME.
Guys, thank you for the visit. It's great being out here on a great day with you here in front of one of the homes that you just sold. I love that contract pending sign out there. Thank you so much for all you do for Greenville and Pitt County, and it's nice to see you again. Rachel and Homer Tire.